Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Any Number Call History app and immediately granting call log, contacts, and storage permissions so the app can read records. Once done, sign in or create the account. This links history to cloud backup and prevents data loss. Make sure auto backup is enabled so you can restore later. Now open the app, accept the initial prompts, and let it index recent calls. That indexing is required before you can search or export numbers efficiently. You'll use the search bar to locate any entry. Type full numbers, fragments, or name pieces. Then apply filters by date range, call type, or duration to narrow results. This is crucial when histories are large. Once you find an entry, tap to preview details. You can copy the number to clipboard, initiate a call, or create a contact. If there are duplicates, merge entries. Doing so keeps your address book tidy and prevents accidental multiple entries in future searches. You finish by exporting or saving. Select entries and export to CSV for spreadsheets or vCard to add to contacts. Save important callers with labels and notes so you remember context. Add a custom ringtone if desired. Once saved, verify in your native contacts app. If entries are missing or recent calls don't appear, reindex within settings, regrant call log permission, and clear the app cache. That usually resolves sync problems. If issues persist, restart the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.